back to IFART India 2025 Influencer Bites. We have with us Jen E. Shrishti Kukreja with us. And let's ask that how was her experience at IFART India 2025?
Thank you so much for having me and thank you for that lovely intro. Well, for me, the experience has, of course, been very, very good. As someone who's been in the sustainability space for over a year and telling stories around sustainability, I think what we cannot discount is the fact that there's a lot of impact in exhibitions and trade fairs like this. Because yes, at a D2C level, when we as conscious consumers do buy products around sustainability, it does have an impact. But a bigger impact is at a B2B and a B2G level, right? At a policy level. So when you see governments over here trying to look at technologies that can better our cities, that can better our infrastructure and in general our country, you can know that the impact is going to be big. When you have businesses who are talking about saving water or treating our water in tons and tons of liters, you know that impact is going to be big. So given all of that and to see those technologies out here on display and companies doing some great work, innovations that can just, change the sustainability space, not just in India, but around the world, it's just been fabulous.
Great, great. So I would like to know that what inspired you to come here and experience this space?
Right. As a sustainable storyteller myself, of course, I was really curious to know what is on display over here, what are some of the innovations, and also sort of understand what are the key problems that not just India, but the world is facing, and then what are the solutions to these problems? Because sustainability is like a whole sphere in itself, right? Whether it's water, whether it's waste, whether it's innovations around environment. It's, I think, very important for us to be updated on these because I think when storytellers like us are updated, it can have a multiplier effect and we can then go out there and give solutions to other people, whether they're businesses or just individuals or even governments who follow us.
True that.
So that's the reason I'm here and also to do some stories in typical Jenny style.
Wow, that's great. Welcome here and we hope to see you on day 2 as well. Thank you.
And follow Jenny and be a part of Generation Earth.